Well, hey there, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. We're still bored, but guess what? We're still here, guys. So I do have something that'll keep your mind busy, at least for the next few minutes. I have got the bag reveals for the June Ipsy bags. I've got standard, I've got plus, and I've got ultimate. So if you're excited for this video, y'all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on none of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now, let's read that first comment from my last video, which was the Ipsy May add-ons. Well, thank you so much, Iris. Iris says, hey, thanks for the spoilers. Well, you are more than welcome, Iris. Honey, if I didn't have this to do, I'd be climbing the walls. But I really appreciate you having your bell on, and thank you so much for coming and watching the video, honey. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comments that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, I've got all 3 bags for June. I've got the standard bag, I got the plus bag, and the ultimate. So first, let's go ahead and throw the standard bag up. Now, for the first time, for the first month, there's just something about these I don't like. I don't know. I mean, I guess they're kind of cute, you know, with the little people and stuff on it. I mean, I reckon it's cute, you know, because I really don't carry these out anywhere. I don't use them for clutches. I just put my makeup in them, and that's all. That's all I really do with them. And I guess it's a good addition to the collection, I guess. But there's just, I've seen way better bags coming out for June. That's all I'm saying. So, what do you think about this one? Now, let's go ahead and throw the standard bag up. Now, of course, it's basically about the same. They do have little changes in them, like the sizes of the bags, also the colors. But again, there's just something about these that, I don't know. Tell me what y'all think. And then next, let's go ahead and throw up the ultimate. Now, this one, of course, being a little bit bigger bag because, you know, it's a bigger subscription. Again, same details, just a little bit different colors, and the bag's different, of course. So, guys, these are the bags for June. So let me know what you think about them down in the comment section. Guys, something I ain't done in a while. I don't know why I ain't been doing it. Let's go ahead and compare the June bag of 2019 to these bags. And, of course, let me know what you think down in the comments. And let me know which one of these bags you like best. Do you like the June bags? And, of course, as soon as Ipsy reveals anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And, as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Carol Bingham. Carol says, Mandy, I think the pimple covers and the lip mask would be great. What do you think? Be safe and take care, lady. Well, you know what? I could actually see that for a nice relaxing moment using the pimple covers. You need a good face mask, but not one that you just lay on top, because you're going to have to go around the pimple cover. So one of those ones that you'll have to apply to your face in a nice bubble bath, and then go, you know what? I'll stop, y'all. But you know what? I could see these being a good thing. What do y'all think? Let us know down in the comment section. And Carol, thank you so much, honey, for coming and watching the video. I really appreciate that. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. Guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. But if you would, check on that. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video. But you're only going to have one option, y'all. You can only hit that thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.